I'm getting fruity flavors. The acid has mellowed a bit, but it's still got a lot of citrusy or banana kind of notes. Hey everyone, Dylan here with Manoa Chocolate. Today we're going to do a single origin Hawaiian dark chocolate tasting with one of my favorite bars. This is Kahalu'u. It is a 70% dark chocolate from our friend Ben Field. And I'm curious to try this now because it's been about 3 months since I've last had this bar. They change, especially the acidic chocolates. And so this had a really bright fruitiness. When we look at the back of the bar, we've got our flavor profile wheel, and the fruitiness is full bars. Same with nutty, and then we got about half fudgy. So let's see what this actually tastes like now. Pop the sky open. And just for everyone who might not know, our inner sleeve, this clear plasticky looking envelope, is actually cellulose, so it's biodegradable. So it will disappear. And that's the way I like to open the bars. You just push on the bottom, opens right up, break off a corner. First thing I like to do is smell it. It smells deeply chocolate. So what happens with acidic cacao is it tends to mellow over months. And I like to chew it up a few times and then use my tongue and spread it out. But as I do this, it's really opening up. And I'm getting fruity flavors. The acid has mellowed a bit, but it's still got a lot of citrusy or banana kind of notes. Super balanced. Very little in the form of bitterness. I don't get any astringencies. Astringency is often accompanied with fruity cacao and acidity, but not in this case. So everything was fermented really well. It comes from a lot of really good genetics. Ben's got a lot of different genetics that have hybridized at his orchards, and we've been filming with him a lot. So you're going to see a lot of footage with Ben and Kahalu'u in the near future here. But exceptional chocolate. I'm getting vanilla notes too. I'm getting nice floral notes. You don't always get vanilla in chocolate naturally, but it is a really nice flavor when you do find it there. And we didn't add that. This is just 70% dark chocolate with 30% sugar. We add cocoa butter as well, so we've got a 10% added cocoa butter within that 70%. So 60% nibs, 10% butter, 30% sugar. So that's our dark chocolate recipe across the board for all of our single origin Hawaiian bars. Exceptional chocolate. Keep it up, Ben Field. We're looking forward to making the next batch. Kahalu'u, 70%, guys.